Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to save Facebook password in Google account. Okay, doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android or your PC, laptop, iPad, doesn't matter. Okay, you just need open your Google, then download this app. Okay, download Google, normal Google, doesn't matter. You can use Google Gmail or Google app, Google Chrome, doesn't matter. Whatever. If you have one Google, open that. Okay. Now, open your Google and in the corner, always in wherever that app that you use, can you watch your profile? Okay, I have a little age on my. Now, when you are here, make a scroll. Okay, a little scroll, and in the last options you can watch your password. Those here, and then you can watch how this blue button add a new password. Okay, if you was I don't have any password because this not is my personal account. Okay, in my personal account I have 100 accounts safe. Okay, but this is an account for my videos. Okay, now here you can add a new password, and this is all. It's so easy and really fast. If you open this account on your iPad or your laptop, you can watch your account saved here. Okay, it's so easy and really fast. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.